There's my Auntie Shannon, you guys.
Hey guys, this is Shay with Shay Travels. Come go with me to Mommy's farm. I'll take you around the property. Look at all of this. Yeah, I'm about to be. Yeah, I don't know what she did. I'm listening to Shanta talking about some emptying. Look at all of this. This is 6 acres. Wow, this is crazy. All of this land. We need to build something else. What can we build? Some more things. Oh, here are the chickens Mama talking about. Oh my god. Hi, chicks. Oh, look how the bitty bitty ones. Oh my god, look how cute is this. This is so cute. Oh my god. That's a big healthy one. That one is huge. Look at the neck. Where? Oh, this one? Oh my god. What was this? Oh, okay. Wow. That's why it tastes so good. Oh my god, the maize is the millie meal. It's so good. And Shima was so good yesterday. It was good. Hello, good morning. I'm great. So, let me see. What's that on those trees? What fruit is that? Mangoes. Wow. A lot. Jesus. Oh my god, this is awesome. So the frogs stopped talking to us. They have disappeared. This is mint. Where? This right here. So I can make mojitos. This is mint. Oh wow. Oh my god. This is so nice. Oh, it smells so good. We're in Lusaka, Silverest.
This is avocado there.
Avocado. Where?
There.
That way.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow. What's planted here? Spinach. Oh, spinach. We have vegetables here. This is what we were eating yesterday. Oh my god. Let me tell you. It was so good. Like fresh vegetables are the best. Huh? Not dry, but fresh. Fresh. We're in the garden. We're in the garden.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes. By creating
Oh wow.
an imaginary picture,
I want pineapple.
usually it's something that moves.
Pineapple is on the other side. Oh, we must go. We have to go see the pineapple. Is it ready? Not yet. It's ready? I was so excited to be here. Everything was so fresh and beautiful. I love these. Yummy. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, they dropped me. Yes,
The kind of sour, some of them are sour.
they are sour, some of them are sweet. Depends which one you get. They're good.
That one.
Which one? On the other side. Oh, it smells so good. This one. Where? Over here. Oh, this too. Oh, yeah. medicine. Yeah. You can use that as medicine. Wow. Those are the mangoes. Oh, wow. And what's this? Popo. What's popo?
I'll show you one of them in the house.
Okay. And when they're ripe, they taste nice. Oh, there's the pineapple. This awesome. Rain season is coming. Really? This is Manila. Got all of this. The pineapple section. Oh, all of this. Mommy takes care of all of this. This is crazy. This is a lot. Oh my God. Look at the pineapple. Oh, that's right. The one. Pineapple. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh, lovely. Wow, this is so big. Okay. Oh my God, the pineapple. I can't see. Oh, the pineapple. Wait, what are these? Oh, from this side. Really? What? Oh my God, really? Okay, we could do that. This is amazing. Oh, and there's someone living there. And here as well? Oh, okay. We dropped someone off in those houses yesterday. Because it's a long walk, huh? Yeah. Yeah. That's the road we came from. Your auntie's house where? The white? That's a big house. in the picture?
Yes, that's grandma's last born.
Yeah. Oh, this is the last one's house. Oh, wow. Oh, she's still building. It's almost done. It looks big. Wow. I may come build here. Is that another house? There. Those grandma's flats. What do you say?
Eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert,
Oh, the workers are living there now.
got you with love, seeing all that I can love.
Now we're headed to our eldest sister's house, who's building on the corner. I am inspired.
Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll
Oh my God, the last one's house is now.
love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong,
So
but I'll change it,
lovely.
change it.
Oh my God.
I would like to tell you my mystery.
Baboons.
I would like to go with you into the street. Please don't deny your love makes me feel.
Oh my God. I can't believe her house. She's building her house. It's almost finished.
I wanna be strong,
Wow, wow, wow.
strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix
So where is she now?
Love, love, love. I wanna
She's
be
in
strong,
America.
strong, strong. We're doing
She's in
wrong,
London.
wrong, wrong,
And
but
when
I'll
she's
try
coming,
and
she's going to move?
change it.
Oh, she just only comes for
I wanna be
holidays.
loved by
Oh my God, look how nice is this. Oh my God. Look how nice. How long has she, when did they start
loved
building?
by you.
And it's like this already. Wow. It's big. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Oh, wow, wow, wow. It's a bathroom. Oh my goodness. What is this? This is so nice. Very neat. Even the doors. How many bedrooms? 3 bedrooms. Bathroom. Oh my God, this is so nice, guys. Oh Jesus. It just makes you want to come build. Yeah. Really? That's crazy. So the grass is planted. That's what he's doing. He's cutting the grass. And he's grooming it with his hands. Oh, that's crazy. Exactly. This tree.
It's used to cure 40 or more diseases.
Really?
Yes, they don't keep the sore throat, headache.
So this is the medicine tree.
Yes,
Oh my God. I love sugarcane. Yeah. Yeah, the big ones. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. Tell me what you think about the videos. I smell something. Yes, yeah. so